Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, beloved Huzur.
Islam.
My name is Madiha Hadi Bagilu. Beloved Huzur, my question is, I learn violin at school as it is an obligatory subject, and the marks obtained are counted in my overall results. My teacher asked me to buy a violin to get better practice. What advice can beloved Huzur give on this?
If it is compulsory for you to use it in the school, you only use it in the school. No need to bring it at home. Right? At home, you should concentrate more on your prayers and other good things which can increase your knowledge. Violin is just nothing for you. It will not help you to increase your knowledge, nor help you to improve your brain capabilities and capacities, nor it will help you to help the poor people. So you should try to gain that knowledge which is useful for yourself and for the human being and for your religion. Right? If you are trying to play that, it should only be in the school, not in the house. Right? Right? Okay.